We should be waiting for Andrew, but he should come sooner or later. So today we're gonna have a look at a small bug on the CRM feature that a user reported this morning. Uh, they pointed out something else. Then I took a look and I actually found this bug where when you set a contact, because you can't delete contact or organization, but you can set them as inactive. But even if they are marked as inactive, they still get displayed on the quick action suggestion to add the contacts to unissuable. So we are gonna have a look at that and try to push a fix to that small bug. Let me check. Okay. So yeah, I opened this issue with a little explanation about what the bug is and how to reproduce it, and we are gonna try to reproduce it right now. We should have already enabled the CRM feature. Yes, on the project. On the project, and the bot worked. We need to make sure that the CRM feature is enabled, which is down here. I already have that enabled. And in fact, I can see it right here on the sidebar. And we should already have some contacts in here. Okay, yeah, we already have some. So if we go to one of the projects, I mean, the only project that's right here, site, we go to an issue and try to no contacts. If we try to add the CRM contact, Christine Abshir, for example, it's present and Andrew is here.
Hello.
Hi, Andrew.
How are you?
Sorry?
How are you going?
Oh, I'm fine. I got married this Saturday.
Oh,
So,
yeah, of course. Oh, my gosh. How did that go?
oh, it went awesome. That unfortunately, that the day flew by that I didn't even realize.
Well, congratulations.
Thanks a lot.
Did I miss photos? Did you post photos from it?
No, not yet, because we're still waiting for the official photos from the photograph. We all
Hmm.
have photos from our the people that were there, but nothing
Yeah.
official. Yeah, yeah. I
Okay. Well,
will.
I look forward to those then.
Sorry.
I'll look forward to those then.
Oh yeah, yeah. When I have some, I'll send you.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, yeah. So I was explaining that this morning one user used the feedback issue for the CRM feature to ask how someone could delete contacts or organization, and the deletion isn't actually supported because right now it's not supported, and I don't know if in the future we will support it, because we could have some problems. For example, if a contact is already linked to an issuable and something like that, if you remove the contact, then problems.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what is actually present? You can set a contact and an organization to be inactive, so they're kind of archived.
Hmm.
But when I took a look at that, then I discovered that even if a contact is marked as inactive, the quick actions still show that contact.
Oh yeah.
So I just enabled the feature on the test project, and I'm making sure that the bug is actually there, just to show also to the people watching, if there's someone watching.
Mhm.
For example, yeah, here we have this Christine Abshire contact that's present. Right now I'm going to set as inactive. Okay, if we refresh the page, it's on the inactive list. And if we try to set a contact, Christine Abshire is still there, and we don't want that.
Did you mean to share your screen then? Or
Oh, don't tell me I wasn't sharing my screen.
no?
Oh,
I only just realised you're actually live already. So yeah. Yeah.
oh yeah, I'm live. Okay, let's do that once again. Okay, so very quick. And my screen, is it visible? No. Now it is. Okay. It is. Yeah.
Mhm.
Section there. So going very quickly, I made sure that the CRM feature was enabled under the general settings, and on the customer relations feature right now is already enabled, and we have some contacts in here. I set Christine Abshire as inactive,
Mhm.
but here on an issue, if we use the quick action, Christine Abshire is still shown as one of the suggestions, even if it's
Yeah.
inactive. So I did have a look at the code, and I actually, on the issue, I pointed to the place where we should have a look. There's basically the autocomplete service for the autocomplete suggestions that it's using the CRM contacts finder, but it's not filtering by the status.
Mhm.
So it should be fairly easy to fix. Thanks a lot for pointing out that I wasn't sharing my screen.
That's all right.
Oh god. Okay, so the CRM contacts finder, it should, yeah, we can filter by state, and by state we have the params, by state, contacts and last state, and we have the param state. Okay, so here on the autocomplete service, we pass the params where on the initialize. So
Yeah.
it should be a parameter of the new, right?
Mhm.
So yeah, current user params, current user group. Should I pass it as a hash like like this?
That's what I would have expected. Is it doing something fancy? Like I'm assuming that group
Uh,
thing's actually working, right?
yeah, yeah, that's working. Otherwise, it would, yeah, it wouldn't work. Root group is got.
Yeah.
That's the fun. Yeah, params group. So maybe we can just like this, and it may even work. Active, because the state can be active or inactive, and that's a string for what I remember. But we can just and actually this should already work.
I was hoping to work on my own quick action this week, but yeah, setting up a new GDK is going to be taking my time, I think.
Well, I actually find setting up GDK. I set that up on my Windows machine and on my Mac machine relatively easily. I didn't struggle that much.
Yeah, it's not normally too bad. It's just annoying because I've already got everything configured
Oh yeah.
on my main OS. But yeah, I can't get Ruby to compile anymore because of the OpenSSL mismatch.
Yeah.
Even following the guide and the help thing. So I figure use Ubuntu. That seems to be.
Yeah. Well, anyway, in the meantime, this is working because I can't find Christina anymore.
Cool.
So yeah, it was really easy. I guess we can already push this one up and open a demo. This was quick. I wish every MR was like this. So
It's always nice when it's a one-line change.
yeah, really. Let's not forget to change the branch. And this was 375. Nice. Filter. Is valid for an entry for the changelog, right? Yeah. Let me check.
Yeah, I can never remember.
Changelog, because added is fairly easy to remember. Changelog entries.
Is this added or fixed? I guess, yeah.
Added for a new feature, fixed for a bug fix, and I think fix is the right one for this in this case. Okay. Hit push. I wonder if you also need to update the documentation to mention that inactive contacts won't be displayed on the suggestions.
Probably a good idea just for like clarification, confirmation.
Yeah. Yes.
Explicitness, that's what I was thinking of.
Okay.
Oh, I need to sign in to get that.
Quick. the action is. Which was playing. Oh, I should also. I'll push up a screen recording later because I don't want it to interfere with the stream. I guess I can steal this from here. Oh, come on. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's copy the text in case of 500, because after you told me of the 500 error, I always get one.
Have the 500 errors actually improved?
I don't know,
Or
because
do you find it worse now?
to be honest, I didn't open many MRs lately. I almost always worked on already open ones. So I don't really know. But it's funny that I never had a 500 before you told me that there was a 500 error.
Now you notice it everywhere.
Yeah, right now it's loading. So I'm sure we will get a 500.
It's weird. Like the first time, it will take quite a while, and then you'll get the 500. But if you refresh, it goes through really quickly.
Yeah, exactly.
And then, yeah, see straight away.
Yeah, that's strange. Oh yeah, I guess I will need to also rebase this with the master because it's quite far behind.
What's leading organization? I've not seen that one.
Leading organization is a label they added recently to help speed up the review for the contributors that not that they
Oh, it's that thing. Yeah. I
yeah.
remember hearing something about it. I haven't actually seen it in practice.
Well, here it is, because it was called resident contributor, and then they changed it to leading organization.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's cool.
yeah. When there's this label, they try to get the review in 2 or 4 days, I guess.
Okay. So the more you contribute, the easier it becomes, I guess.
Yeah, exactly. They there should be also a blog post about this is new. I don't remember. Because it's calculated on the amount of the Mars on the latest month. I guess if you have opened or worked on more than I don't know how many MRs, you automatically get that label.
Okay, that's very cool.
Yeah. Well, I guess this is basically ready. I guess I can also. Yeah, let's try to also add the video. So let's try. We can do it like this. Come on. Okay. I have to be quite quick because the video will be too heavy otherwise. Okay, so let's try to be quick. Herman Boyer. Herman Boyer is not here anymore. And this was 34 seconds. Let's hope.
That should only be like a meg or so, right?
No, not at all. This is. Oh, well, 6.9 megs.
Oh, that seems big.
Yeah, I guess that depends on the OS because it's scaled up. So yeah, don't know. Let's try to push this one up. So should we have a before and after? Okay, this is uploading, so it's working. And let's undo the changes so we can. I guess that I can only show this one. Okay. How is it possible that this one is more than 10 megs? It's even shorter than the previous one.
I wonder what format it uses.
It's using MOV.
Okay.
So
I think when I record mine, I use MKV with something else. H.264 encoding.
Yeah, but I don't even know if I can change the format because I'm using the built-in screen recorder from macOS.
Yeah, one of my previous videos here is 32 seconds and it's 620 kilobytes.
Really?
Yeah.
I'll need to
So
find a way. So let's do this once again. Herman Boyer is here. We go here. And it's here. And these are 4 megabytes. Okay. Much better. Okay. Yeah.
So GitLab doesn't let you upload a file bigger than 10 megabytes.
Yeah.
But can you upload 10 files that are 9 megabytes each?
I guess so, yeah. Yeah, because here I have one of this was 6.9 megabytes and these were 4.3. So yeah, we're more than 10 megabytes. Okay, this is good. We should set a couple of labels. And I guess we are ready for a review. Yeah. So
What team does the CRM belong to now?
Because
obviously Lee did this, didn't he? The whole thing.
Yeah, exactly. And if I remember correctly, this should be on the 7th. Yeah, they were actually discussing this a few months ago to move this one from the service desk to the team planning.
Okay.
So yeah, but they didn't actually move anything. So I don't know. That maybe they still have to decide. I know Gabe is actually the person Lee usually talks to about the CRM stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, Gabe and John Hope. So I don't know. I will ping the suggested reviewer. Oh, actually, let's see if backend reviewer. I have no MR's reviewer, so they should be free. We have a look. What label? Type bug and bug functional, I guess. Oh, should we also update the docs, the documentation before asking for a review?
Yeah, probably. Just keep it
Yeah.
all in the same MR.
Yeah, exactly. So we still have some time. At least I have still some time. The documentation about this feature. I guess we should update the quick action documentation. And the first one is here. Well, there are no specific reference.
Could you just say add one or more active CRM contacts?
Oh yeah,
Just insert the word active there.
yeah, that could be.
Is there an actual? Yeah, probably not. I was going to say, is there an actual page about the CRM feature?
Yeah, there's a
As well?
page, but nothing strictly related to the quick action. Create a contact, organization.
Is there anything about making a contact inactive?
No, but there are add remove issue cons. There is some documentation down here. Yeah, there's documentation here. Add contacts to an issue. To add contacts to an issue, use the add contacts quick action, and we could mention in here that. Oh, but what if they want to remove a contact?
The remove contacts uses a different lookup though, doesn't it?
I don't
Because
think
it should
so.
only the unlabel command only lists labels that are on the issue. So the remove contact command should just list whatever contacts are on the issue as well.
Oh, you're right. Well, we can try that out. Remove. We don't even have the remove. So if we do add, so rewind. Okay. Okay. So add contact. We should now remove contacts. Nope. What happens if I try to remove someone else?
Huh.
Okay.
Another merge request to open.
I don't think we should work on this MR because
No, definitely separate merge request.
Yeah, that's for sure. Well, we can open the issue.
Yeah, because this is, I mean, that remove contacts quick action basically needs re-implementing, I think.
Yeah, I guess so. At least the suggestion finder.
Yeah.
Oh, well, one thing at a time. So let's finish the MR first. and page source, and this is here. Edit a contact, edit issues with other contact to issue, to other contact to issue. Use the quick action to add. We could to add active contacts to an issue. Be enough.
Say again, sorry. I was reading up how to resize my disk image. I've run out of space.
I think that we mentioning to add active contacts to an issue, use the contacts quick action should be enough.
To add active contacts to an issue, use the quick action. Yep, that sounds good.
Yeah, I guess so. And there was also the quick action.
What about GraphQL? Does that need updating as well?
GraphQL? No, because we're only talking about quick actions.
Sorry, as a separate issue. So with the GraphQL, GraphQL or REST, I'm not sure if there's a REST endpoint.
No,
can you add a contact that has been made inactive?
Oh. There's also these autocomplete contacts. We can mention that only there. You can also add, remove, replace issue contact using the GraphQL API. Yeah.
Or if you're using the API, should we let people add inactive contacts?
Actually, even if with this change, we are only changing the quick action suggestions, because you can still, even if you don't find the contact using the suggestion, you can still use their email.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I guess we can.
Thinking about it though, if you're using the API, you may be doing that because you want to import like old data or update existing issues and stuff with information you didn't have before. So maybe if you're using the API, we consider that kind of like an advanced feature, like advanced usage, and we just let people attach inactive contacts.
Yeah.
And then we don't have to change anything.
Yeah. I guess I'll ask also Lee on the EMR something about this, because I don't know how he wants to implement this.
I know that through the front end, you can't create an issue in the past, but through the API, you can create an issue with any created at date.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So like things through the UI can be different from what happens in the API. And again, I think the use case there is similar. Like you might want to do a bulk import of issues from Jira, and you want to keep that created date.
Okay, I see what you mean. Yeah, because if you're importing, for example, issues from somewhere else, maybe you don't even have a contact, but you still yeah, I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Well, in the meantime, autocomplete contacts. When you use the add contacts or remove contacts quick action, follow them with and an autocomplete list appears. Should we mention that for the add contacts? and an autocomplete list containing with the active contact appears. Should be enough. And this one, quick action MD. Oh boy, this table. CRM content. Okay, we should be good. Okay. So documentation updated. We should. I already know that Marcin will be pinged to take a look at the documentation. So,
Are there any tests for this?
not. Oh, you're quite right.
Should we add one in if there aren't?
Oh, there are.
Because I guess there should be a test case to make sure that, like, we create a couple of contacts that are active and one that isn't active, and make sure it only returns those active ones.
You're completely right. Are there any tests? There are no tests in here. Oh, because I'm looking at the wrong test. Okay. Contact. Expected contact. I guess we can, if we do it like this, and how were they called, the initializers, the fixtures? No. Andrew, do you remember how, on the specs you can call create and pass the type of data?
The factory.
Oh, factory.
Yeah.
Contact factory. Yes. Label email, and we how set the status of a contact? Should I change the factory?
I think so, yeah. I have never written that factory though, to be honest. Maybe check the issues factory.
Yeah. Factories, issues. No, not
Oh.
one. Issues. I could use a trait. Set.
Guess.
But if I try to do it like this, contact, trade with organization, trade inactive, and I can say state inactive. Yes. Oh, that's an enum. No, yeah, should work fine. So on here, traits should be set before the values. Come on. These specs will run sometime soon. Oh, it's compiling.
A new version of Gitaly, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, because if I don't set this one up like this, the test should fail. Okay, perfect. It's working. It's working. Yes. Awesome. So let's push this up. Um, push. Okay. And push up, push up. Okay. Okay. They recently changed the font of the system notes, and it's so small.
Have they?
Yeah. They also changed the, how could I say, the history of the system
Mhm.
notes, because now the avatar is outside.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So yes,
I've been
nothing really.
focused on a lot of paperwork at the moment, so I've barely been in GitLab.
Yeah, I know that feeling for the past couple of weeks. They take it, okay, GitLab bot label, GitLab bot ready. So we fixed the bug, we updated the documentation, and we updated the specs. So we should have done everything.
Cool.
Awesome. Start thread. Oh, perfect. And I still have a couple of minutes, so I guess we could try to open the issue about the remove contacts.
Yeah, go for it. I'm still trying to work out how to resize this disk.
should even have a screenshot. Yeah, we can. Where did it go? Oh, here it is. Okay, create issue. And we can ping. Awesome. Issue open. And oh, I should. Awesome. I guess we're done. Stop the inception. Okay. So I have to go now.
No worries.
And I guess we'll see online. Thanks for the help. As always. Oh, we even have.
Yeah, hopefully I'm actually going to be around this. Two tests to do with, did we?
Maybe? I don't know.
We're internet famous.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I to write this merge request and then.
Oh, your audio is. Could you repeat, because the audio was
actually get it merged.
Okay, so you're also got something.
All right, I'll catch you later, Marco.
Yeah, thanks a lot for the help. Bye. Bye, everyone.